How to add admin on any Instagram account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the admin on any Instagram account. The very first step is to launch your Instagram account. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. On the down right side you can see your profile. Just tap on your profile. So one thing that you need to make sure is that your Instagram account is professional account and not a private account, and only after that you will be able to choose an admin on your Instagram as well. So if you have this very option of professional dashboard, then you can be sure that your Instagram account is a professional account. Now just tap on the three vertical lines on the top right side, scroll down and down up until you see the option of business tools and controls. Now what you need to do is scroll down, and then you need to just tap on connect or create option, which is right here. So just tap on continue option. So what you need to do is connect your Instagram account with a Facebook page that you have. So after you continue and connect everything right there, then the page will be admined by connecting it with your Facebook page. So just like that, you can solve this problem right here. So I hope you like the video. Do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.